Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use a lazy loading in React routing. Yeah, let's start. These are all files I'm going to use. This is the main file. I imported this in index.js and this is the page 1 and this is page 2. Okay, and for React routing you need to install this plugin, copy this and install in your project. For mine I already installed. Yeah, let's start with the browser route, and browser route is imported here from the React router DOM, and after that I'm going to add a routes. Yeah, this is also from a React router DOM, is imported here. Okay, and inside routes I'm going to add a route. To close this one, this is also imported here, and inside the routes I just add a path and slash, and here I just add a element. Inside element here I'm going to add a this component, copy this and paste it here. Okay, just import this one and I just close this, and here just add a 1 and I'm going to copy this function and paste it here. Okay, I just import this one also. Now everything is ready. Right now I'm not implemented the lazy loading. Now I will show you the difference between with and without lazy loading. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the without lazy loading. I just go here. Now our project is ready, right? Just inspect and go to source, and before that we need to hard reload this, Control Shift R, or otherwise you can long press this load and here empty catch and hard reload. Okay, after that inside this static and inside D drive, for me I maintain every code in the D drive, so that I am choosing this, and inside src just scroll down, my project folder is lazy loading React. Okay, here see this, here without lazy loading all the component are rendered in the initial load. Okay, here you see the 3 component, this one, these 3 are rendered when the project load. Okay, I'm going to add a lazy loading. I just comment this importation, and here I just copy this and const lazy, this from React. Okay, this one lazy, and here I just import this path. I just copy this and paste it here, same as the this one also, this component also. Okay, just paste this one and here too, and now everything is ready. Now I implemented the lazy loading. Okay, we'll see. Right now this folder is maintaining, right? I just long press this reload and empty catch. Okay, right now I'm in the this folder. Let's reload this. Nothing is rendered because when we implementing lazy loading means we need to add a suspense. Okay, before this suspense is from React. Okay, just close this one, just cut this, put after this, and I just add a alignment. Yeah, now this is fine. I just add a fallback here. I just add a h1 tag and add loading. Save this. Now our component will show. You need to implement lazy loading, you should use this suspense. Okay, we can achieve the loading via using this suspense. Now I just hot reload this, empty catch, and go to source. See, inside lazy loading we see only 2 component. The main component is rendered and we call this d page 1. We called this one at the empty path. The second page, this component is not rendered in the initial load, right? And if I go to this one, just copy this and slash and paste that. Right now you see in initial render the second component only rendered. See this D page 2 is rendered and main page, main component, this component, right? This lazy loading React, this component is rendered. That D page 1 is not rendered in the initial render. This is the difference. And when you're using the lazy loading, you will improve the performance and also achieve the loading from the suspense. Okay, yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.